Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Time Design Team project share, and I'm just going to jump right on in. So today I am using the Christmas Ginger's Ephemera. Hopefully it's back in stock. If not, it's coming very soon. And these are the ones that I added all that stickles on there, and this is the one with the gingers, just so cute. I'm also using the Cozy Holiday Wishes, and I'm using Happy Holidays to the Sweetest Person I Know, which is right there. That's a really cute set. This one comes with the dies to cut all of those sentiments out. And from the Ginger Tree, I am using just the hearts there. I used some of those hearts for my tag. And then this is the tag that I am using once again. I found out I really like this tag, so it was nice to revisit something that she released last year. So anyways, I'm using this folded tag. And then the paper should also be back in stock. If it's not, it should be in very soon. We have the Rustic Christmas 2025, and I'm using this paper here. And here goes this adorable little tag with the cutest little ginger out of the back. I think she is just adorable. You see all that sparkle that I have on her. I also use some glossy accents for her eyes, and then I use some stickles to color her up. On top of the little candy that she has there, I added a little dot in the center, and I think it was from this fallout here, and I just put it right in the center there, and that's from the folded tag set. It came with one of those little I forgot what it's called, but I'm sure you know. And then anyways, and then I also added some glossy accents on top of the hearts there. But she is just adorable, and I did do the back side of the card as well, so I just went ahead and put a little holly leaf on top, colored in the hearts on the to and from, and then in the inside, and I'm also using one of those little clips again. In the inside, I did finish that. Has another little holly leaf, and then the Happy Holidays to the Sweetest Person I Know, and I also colored in those little hearts there. But such a cute little tag, love it. So I'll have all of my design team sisters linked down below, as well as Emma's store and Emma's YouTube channel as well. So make sure you go over and visit everyone and see what they have been creating, and that's about it. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.